Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve this interesting math problem. X6 is equal to x power 6 is equal to 4 power 6, and we have to evaluate the value of x from it. As our problem is x power 6 is equal to 4 power 6, let's rearrange the equation as x power 6 minus 4 power 6 is equal to 0, and we can write this as x cube whole power 2 minus 4 cube whole power 2 is equal to 0. As this I have written according to the exponential rule, that 3 into 2 is equal to 6 and 3 into 2 is equal to 6 here again. Now if you can see that we can apply the formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b here. If we take x as a and b as 4 as b, and we write it as x cube plus 4 cube into x cube minus 4 cube, after applying this formula to this impression. So it was basically the difference of two squares. Now further, x cube plus 4 cube is equal to 0 and x cube minus 4 cube is equal to 0. I just applied the zero product rule here to evaluate both of this impression to 0 here. At this point I'll apply the formula a cube plus b cube, which will be equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So by applying this formula to this impression, we'll get two cases as a whole. If we apply this formula to x cube plus 4 cube, then we will get x plus 4 into x square minus 4x plus 16, and on the other hand, if we apply this formula to x cube minus 4 cube, as a cube minus b cube will be equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So it will be equal to x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 16. So we have found two cases. Number one, x plus 4 into x square minus 4x plus 16, and at the other hand, x minus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 16. So we'll solve them differently. From here, case number 1 has started, in which x plus 4 is equal to 0 and x is equal to minus 4. This is the value of x, and or x square minus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0. Here we will apply the quadratic formula, which will be equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This will equal to minus into minus 4 plus minus 4 whole square minus 4 1 and 16 divided by 2 into 1. 4 plus minus 16 minus 4 into 16 is equal to 64 divided by 4 plus minus 48 divided by 2, and if we separate the fraction, then we'll get 4 plus minus 4 2, 2 plus minus 2 under root 3 iota. This is the other value of x here, in which we have two values with plus and minus. Now come to the case 2. Here case number 2, in which x minus 4 is equal to 0, x is equal to 4, and x square plus 4x plus 16 is equal to 0, and here we will apply the quadratic equation as x is equal to, for minus b we will write minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 into 1 into 16 divided by 2 into 1. X will be equal to minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 64 divided by 2 minus 4 plus minus 48 under root divided by 2, and it will be equal to again 4 under root 3 minus 48 iota divided by 2 minus 2 plus minus 2 under root 3 iota. This is the value of x from it. So we have total 6 values of x. X is equal to minus 4, x is equal to plus minus 2 under root 3 iota, and x is equal to 4, and x is equal to minus 2 plus minus 2 under root 3 iota. This is the final answer for this problem. Hit like button if you enjoyed the video, and never forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Wait for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.